They have this delicious meal. Look at this. This is an authentic Korean place that McKenna told us to come to. It's called how do I say it again? Jinso Puka. Anyways, we got the kalbi, have to. Look at all the banchan it comes with. And then it comes with katsu. This is the pork belly, deep and hot. And then what's that? The noodles? Can you show some noodles? I mean with your chopstick. Show the noodles. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. I'll just put it here. Okay, thank you.
Do you need a bowl?
No, I think we're fine. Thank you. That's the boiling hot pepper. Whoa. This is so good. So much. So excited to eat.
Are there spoons over there?
Yes, there should be.
And that.
Yummy. I'm so excited to eat.
Oh.
Good thing we got the small. Like, look how much we got. That's